Welcome. If you've ever marked an important email with a star in Gmail, but then had trouble finding it among countless other messages, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple, updated way to view only your starred, unread emails, right from your Android or iPhone Gmail app. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and make sure you've got the Gmail app installed and updated to the latest version. Once you're ready, open the Gmail app. At the very top left corner of your screen, you'll see the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on this icon. Doing so slides open the main navigation menu, giving you access to all the different sections of Gmail. From the menu, scroll down a little and tap on the starred section. This is where Gmail keeps all the emails you've marked as important with a star, allowing you to access them quickly anytime. But what if you only want to see starred emails you haven't read yet? Just look right below the search bar at the top of this starred screen. You'll notice a filter option labeled In Unread. Tap on In Unread, and instantly, Gmail will show you only the emails that are both starred and unread. This feature comes in handy if you frequently star messages as reminders, but want to avoid sorting through emails you've already seen. With just a few taps, you've narrowed down your important and unread messages, making your inbox more organized and keeping you on top of what truly matters most. Whenever you check your Gmail app, just follow these 4 clear steps. Open the Gmail app on your Android or iPhone. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Tap on Starred. Tap in Unread below the search bar. That's all it takes. Now you can easily view your most important, unread conversations in Gmail. No more scrolling, no more searching. Stay organized, stay productive, and never miss an important message again. Thanks for watching.